let's talk about nouns. Some nouns, actually. So, respect. What is respect in Igbo? What is respect in Igbo? Ịkwanye ugwu. Ịkwanye ugwu. Ugwu. Ịkwanye ugwu. Honor. 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 Nsọpụrụ. 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 First, respect. Ịkwanye ugwu. Respect. Ịkwanye ugwu. Honor. Nsọpụrụ. Honor. Nsọpụrụ. Favor. Favor. Amara. Favor. Amara. And I'm sure you've heard the name Amarachukwu, the favor of God. Amara. Favor. Then, blessing. Blessing. This name is very popular. Ngozi. Blessing means Ngozi in Igbo. Do you want Ngozi? Yeah, I know everyone wants blessings. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Echi. Tomorrow. Echi. You heard of Onye Mechi. Onye Maechi. Who knows tomorrow? Who knows tomorrow? Okay, so we have praise. Praise. Otito. Otito. Praise. Otito. Greetings. Ekene. Greetings. Ekene. And welcome. Welcome. Nabata. 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 So I'll go over what we've discussed. First, respect. Ịkwanye ugwu. Favor. Nsọpụrụ. Honor. Nsọpụrụ. Honor. Nsọpụrụ. Favor. Amara. Blessing. Ngozi. Praise. Otito. Greetings. Ekene. Welcome. Nabata. I hope ni nabatara m. Nabata m. Help share. Gbasa ozi a n'ọdụ mma. Thank you.